Hello guys, in today's video we will be learning how to create an account on Wix.com. To begin with, let's click on get started and see the options given to us by the website. We have Google, Facebook and Apple, and we can also use your email. For me, I prefer using Google account. It's more secure. You only need to give it the confirmation by Google and then everything will be good. And your account has been created successfully. I don't know if it takes times or just my connection is bad. Okay, we are waiting. And while waiting, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe on our channel. So yes, I think it's my Wi-Fi is bad. Sorry guys. And by this, your account has been created successfully.